I'm Georgina Williams and I work on the Backhoe Loader product team at JCB. A great feature on a backhoe is Power Slide. Power Slide enables the operator to easily reposition the dig end to allow for a wider working range, without the need to reposition the entire machine. In this video, we're going to show you one way that you could use this feature to dig a corner when digging footings.
Activate Power Slide by pressing the in-cab switch. Use the roller switch on the right-hand joystick to slide the dig end across. Press the Power Slide switch again to lock it to the new position. When setting up to dig a corner, position the machine at a 45-degree angle to where you plan to dig. With the excavator end positioned all the way to the left, swing the dig end over to the right to dig one side of the corner. Then, use the Power Slide to reposition the dig end all the way to the right and swing the dig end over to the left to dig the other side. You can continue to reposition the dig end to get a neat and tidy finish to your footing corner without having to reposition the machine.
So there you have it, how to dig a corner using Power Slide. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. For more videos, check out our playlist.